The Criminal Records Office is now reopened for business, even though it's only offering limited service to the public. But as TVJ's Kirk Wright now tells us, the Police Federation is still not satisfied with the working conditions.
Morning. I know you have been waiting for a very long while.
Scores of people descended on the Criminal Records Office early Monday morning. Luckily for them, it's the morning the office reopened for business after 3 weeks, and there were anxious moments.
Every one of you will get through.
Right.
So you don't have to
Make a bag of night.
create any problem.
Following that, the people formed queues and were allowed inside. Since the refurbishing started, the Police Federation has been sounding alarm bells that they are concerned about the central cooling system and the air quality in the building. The Assistant Commissioner Fitzbailey, under whose portfolio the Records Office falls, says careful consideration was taken before deciding to reopen the office ahead of completing the refurbishing.
We are trying to ensure that the staff work in an environment that will not put their life or their health at risk. So we are mindful of ensuring that wherever we put the staff, both the police and the civilian and our customers as well, that the environment is ideal for operation.
Police Federation Chairman Patria Rowe says while significant work has been done to make the building more habitable, his concern about the air quality lingers.
Police Federation viewpoint on this issue is that for a building that is poorly ventilated and has a central air system, the central air system is the most functional way to have a proper cooling system for people who occupy the building. When you install air conditioning in a room that was intended to be serviced by central air, what it does is pretty much circulate the air and take contaminants from what was intended to be the central air system. That is our assessment as a police federation. Certainly, that can only get better if you have an expert view on the issue.
Mr. Rowe says the building is overcrowded, adding that he will be lobbying for more suitable building for the staff. He says he's not averse to the Ministry of Health doing a detailed check of the facility just to make sure it's suitable enough for the employees. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.